Hello students, in the previous lecture of probability introduction part, we discussed about single dice. Now today we are taking the concept of multiple dice. Multiple dice means more than one dice. So we are taking today two dice here. Two dice. Here I am taking these two dice. One is purple and other is white. I am using two colors for these. One is black and purple to showing the different faces of these two dice. So how we can use these two dice when we throw these two dice? So many different cases are there, like it is happening that 5 will come on the purple and 1 will come on the white dice, and then in the next time it can be possible 1 will come on the purple and 2 will come on the white dice. So total how many cases will become, this thing we will discuss in this section. So what we will do first, we will make a table like this. These 1 2 3 4 5 6, these cases are for this purple dice, and on the other side again we will write the same thing, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are the cases for the white dice. So how it will work? So first chance we are taking that 1 will come on the purple dice, and on the other dice, white dice, this number 1 to 6, any number can come. So how we will write? First we will write 1. We are assuming that 1 will come on the purple dice, so 1 1 1 1 like this. This one is for the purple dice. So 6 cases are there because 6 up to 6 number on each dice can come. And on the other dice, this white one, so first we are considering that on white dice 1 will come. Second case, it can be possible that 2 can come, then 3 can come, 4 5 and 6. So in the second row, what we can write, we are assuming that 2 are coming, the number 2 is coming on the purple, so 2 we will write first. So in this way we can draw this table for 2 dice. 6 cases are for one dice and 6 cases are for other dice. So what will be the total number of possible outcomes? So if we will write total number of possible outcomes, 6 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 36 possible outcomes for 2 dice in case of 2 dice. So if we will consider the different cases, like if I am saying that what will be the favorable outcome of an event, the sum of the two numbers is 8, when the sum of the two numbers is 8. So we have to find for sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 8. So we are finding the probability for that. So in this table you can check, so when the sum of 8 will come for these two dice. So like this is the case, 6 plus 2 8, then 5 plus 3 is also 4 plus 4 is also equal to 8, 3 plus 5 2 plus 6. So all these cases belongs to this case. When we add these two, it will come, the sum will come 8. So we will consider all these cases, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 5 and 2 plus 6. So all these cases we will consider under this. So how many cases are these? These are 1 2 3 4 5 cases are there. So probability of that event, probability of getting sum of two numbers is 8. So 5 numbers are those we can add, and we are getting sum equal to 8 is 5 upon total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes are 36 here. Total number of possible outcomes are 36 here. So upon 36. So this is the probability of this case when we want that sum of two numbers will be 8. Next, if we will take in this case, if we can find out that sum of two numbers is 13. Sum of two numbers is 13. So sum of two numbers is 13. We can check again this table, the same table we can check. Sum of two numbers is 13. In one dice possible case is 6. In other dice possible case is 6, means up to 6 numbers on one dice can come. So 6 plus 6, 12. So it cannot be possible that we will get sum of two numbers is equal to 13. So these cases will be 0. So probability of this event getting of the two numbers sum is equal to 13 is 0, because we will not get the sum of 13 in any case, and upon the total possible cases are 36. So 0 upon 36 means 0. Another case, if we will take in case of two dice is sum of two numbers less than or equal to 12. If we are considering this case less than and equal to 12, so possibility for this event, if we are considering less than and equal to 12, so how total favorable cases are there for this case, less than and equal to 0. So these will be 36, because for two dice, how many possible cases are there? 6 multiplied by 6, 36 possible cases. So total possible cases less than or equal to 12 is 36 upon 36, it will come 1.